The BANVIE car alarm system kit combines passive keyless entry with a push-button ignition, giving older gasoline cars a very modern convenience upgrade. Its remote start function lets you warm up or cool down the cabin from a distance, with an automatic engine shutoff timer that adds an extra layer of safety. The system includes full alarm coverage with door and accessory monitoring, using the car's original horn and flashing lights to draw attention if someone tampers with the vehicle. Central locking automation and remote trunk release make daily use smoother, so you can secure the car and access cargo without fumbling for the factory key. The proximity-based locking and unlocking works reliably within a few meters, so the car can secure itself when you walk away and be ready to drive as you return. Although professional installation is strongly advised, the kit is well documented and flexible enough to integrate with many 12-volt gasoline vehicles that use electronic central locking.